Well, I hope you guys love it just as much as I do, and thank you for tuning in to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be speaking about the Bobbi glueless lace wig, and it's called Natalia, and it's in the color of 1. This is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm normally maybe a B or 1B. This is straight black. After a few days of wear, this is not a straight out the box, and it is safe, clean cap. It says that's what it claims, and it's HD transparent lace, glueless wear if you like. I glued it down even though it says glueless. I do a lot, so I glued it down. Makeup on, like my cap. I didn't have to plug too much, but I did plug in my parting, so it do have natural baby hairs. When I got it, I didn't have to pluck as much. Like, I did the bare minimum of plucking. Pre-plucked natural hairline. The wig is yucky texture. It's not really shiny. It's just like really blended, you know? Because I hate that synthetic look. It's not what it's giving. So yeah, I try to get natural looking wigs. It looks very natural. Very, like, if you're in a rush, you can put it on and just do it. It says that it's 3 by 7 hand-tied lace. It has realistic density. It does have a elastic band at the back. When I did put it on, it was big, so the elastic band was kind of hanging. So I had to tuck the elastic band in at the back. It has 1 comb in the back of the wig. It doesn't have combs at the front, so that's why I kind of like the glue down kind of thing. When I did put the lace on, it's not big head friendly, and I got a big head, so it's kind of like I have to glue one side down and the other side is covered, you know, let it breathe on this side. But it's not big head friendly. It's kind of like medium to small. Even when I unsnap the clips in the back, the wig is still tight, so just be aware of that. This is how it looks, okay, on the mannequin, and this is how it looks on me after a few days of wear. It was like, I put a video of what it did look like when I first got it out the package, but just throughout the time. Would I buy it again? I would buy it again. I just wish it was more big head friendly. The cap is stretchable in the back, but it's just like, you know, the lace size at the front. It is free parting. I can put it on the side like this. I can put it on the other side, but I like my bangs covering my left eye, so I parted it this side, but it is free parting. It has UV protection and it is breathable. I did use a hot comb. It's safe up to, it don't say how much, but I've been going up to at least 300 of the heat on the hot comb. It's cut in layers. I really do like it. Throughout the time of me wearing it, it do start to like come together as one and give me that Wolverine kind of look, but I like it overall. Did it have a smell? It did not have a smell when it came out the package. Does it tangle? It hasn't tangled yet. It just depends on how you take care of it. When I wear it outside of my bonnet, I can feel it getting like tangled, but like when I keep it up to part in a bonnet wrapped up, then it don't get as tangled. It don't shed a lot either, so that's a good thing. I wear it for work, so it don't be like all on my face. Like, I put it up in the hairnet. I love that it has body definition and volume. It's very different. I just like to try like different styles in different colors. It's really different. Not too long, not too short. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Comment, subscribe, like, and I thank you for tuning in. I will be having a new video coming soon on the next unit. So thank you for growing with me, and we're getting bigger and bigger by the day. I believe right now, let's see how many subscribers I have. So as of right now, I have 102 subscribers. Like, the growth is real. We're getting bigger and better by the day. You hear me? And I do apologize for not doing videos frequently as I need to, but life has been lifing, and I'm just trying to grow. I'm just trying to do what I love to do, so please work with me, okay? Thank y'all for understanding. But yeah, this unit is bomb. I love it. It's beautiful, like, you know what I'm saying, like, different. I want different. I don't want what nobody else got.
Period.
So, and y'all have a great night. Amen.
My last nigga was a bitch nigga. I need a nigga with about 6 figures. And someone who know what to do with it.